Welcome to Benny's Kitchen. Today, Benny Bear learns to count from 1 to 10 with yummy cookies. Oh no, my friends are coming for tea, but I don't know how many cookies to bake. Benny needed to learn to count.
I can help you, Benny. Let's learn to count together while we bake.
Yes, please, Mama. I want to learn.
First, we get ready. Clean hands and clean workspace.
Ready, Mama? Let's count cookies.
Let's start with 1. Here is 1 cookie.
1 delicious cookie. Now there are 2. 1, 2 yummy cookies.
Excellent counting, Benny.
1, 2, 3 friends. Burning. Perfect. Pass. 1, 2 cookies in a square. 4 is my favorite number of paws.
5 cookies. Look, you have 5 fingers on each paw.
5 fingers, 5 cookies. I understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. You're counting like a champion. Yes. I counted to 6. I'm doing it, Mama.
Yes. Now let's count even higher, all the way to 10. 7 cookies make up. Count them, Benny.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like a flower. Let me count carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. Biscotti. Skate.
Yes. 5, 3, it's 10.
Just one more, Benny. You can do it. 10. I counted to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know all my numbers to 10.
Ding dong.
They're here. My friends are here, Mama.
Go welcome them, Benny.
Hi, Benny.
Welcome, friends.
I have a surprise.
Learn to count.
You did? That's wonderful. Look, I can count all these cookies. Watch me. Wow, show us, Benny. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give us a smile. Mama, we have 4 friends and 10 cookies.
Can we share them?
Great thinking, Benny. Let's figure it out together.
If we give each friend 2 cookies, let's see what happens. 1 for Rosie, 1 for Sammy, 1 for Molly, 1 for me. 2, 4, 6, 8 cookies shared. Everyone has 2 cookies.
Thank you, Benny.
And we have 2 left over for later. Enjoy your tea party, friends.
Thank you, Mom Bear. These cookies look delicious.
Wait, I can count while we eat. I have 2 cookies.
Me too. Let's count together.
Let's count backwards. 2 cookies. I eat 1. 1 cookie left. 0 cookies left. We ate them all.
They were yummy. The best cookies ever.
Let's review. Benny, can you teach your friends to count to 10?
Yes.
Everyone point with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it. Everyone can count.
Now try building a tower from 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. Look, we can count everything. Flowers, spicy 5 flowers, berries, and 7 birds. As stars come out, let's count them. 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 10 stars. The moon is so pretty, and it's round like the number 0 when there are no cookies. Smart connection, Benny.
Time for everyone to head home. You all learned so much today.
Thank you, Benny.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow. 1 friend going home, 2 friends going home, 3 counting everything now, Benny.
Bye, Benny. See you tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Counting helps with everything.
Even bedtime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You learned so much today, Benny. I'm proud of you.
Counting, Mama. Can we bake more cookies tomorrow and count them?
Of course, my little bear.
At night, Benny dreamed of numbers and counting adventures.
Good morning. I can spot. Breakfast time, Benny. 5 pancakes, 6 strawberries. Everything can be counted.
That's right, Benny. Numbers are everywhere.
I can teach you to count. It's easy and fun. Watch me.
Wow, Benny.
Benny discovered that counting was everywhere. At the store, the library, the park. I can count anything. I can count to 10. I can share fairly. I understand numbers.
You learned so much from just baking cookies. For learning to count so well, here's a special book, Benny.
Thank you. I want to learn to count to 100 now. 1 for Becky and Johnny.
1. Let's count together.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Tomorrow I'll learn to count by 2s. Then I'll learn to add. There's so much more. Learning never stops, Benny. Counting isn't just about numbers, Benny. It helps us in everything we do.
Like sharing cookies fairly and knowing if we have enough. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, 10. I'ma forget.
Now you can count too. Let's count together one more time.
Practice counting every day, friends.
Keep counting.
Thank you for learning to count with Benny Bear. Can you count to 10 now?